Hello and welcome back to That Spicy History Teacher. Today we embark on an immersive journey into the life and contributions of one of the most brilliant minds of the 20th century, J. Robert Oppenheimer. From his fascination with Sanskrit to his groundbreaking scientific achievements, Oppenheimer's story is nothing short of captivating. So sit back, relax, and join us as we delve deep into the life of the atomic wizard. Let's start our exploration with an aspect of Oppenheimer's life that remains relatively lesser known: his affinity for Sanskrit and Hinduism. Beyond his association with the famous verse from the Bhagavad Gita, "I am become death, the destroyer of worlds," Oppenheimer had a deep reverence for Hinduism, its literature, and especially the ancient language of Sanskrit. During his undergraduate years at Harvard University, Oppenheimer's academic curiosity led him to study various languages, including Sanskrit. He was captivated by the rich history of this ancient language, its intricate grammar, and the profound philosophical texts it encompassed. His studies of Sanskrit provided him with a gateway to explore the philosophical depths of Hinduism, which left a lasting impact on his worldview. Oppenheimer's fascination with Hindu philosophy extended beyond his academic pursuits. He immersed himself in ideas of cosmic cycles, the interconnectedness of all life, and the nature of existence, drawing inspiration from the profound concepts found in Hindu scripture. Despite not being a devout follower, his admiration for Hinduism and its philosophical insights added layers of complexity to the enigmatic person of J. Robert Oppenheimer. Did you know that Oppenheimer's scientific genius wasn't limited to nuclear physics? In this segment, we explore Oppenheimer's groundbreaking prediction about black holes, which is a lesser-known facet of his illustrious career. In 1939, Oppenheimer, along with his student Hartland Snyder, co-wrote a seminal paper titled On Continued Gravitational Contraction. The paper delved into the consequences of the gravitational collapse of massive stars. Remarkably, this work foreshadowed the existence of black holes, which were not widely understood or recognized by the scientific community. While his black hole prediction garnered little attention at the time, it was later rediscovered by physicists who recognized Oppenheimer's foresight and its significance in understanding the enigmatic cosmic entities. Today, his work on black holes is regarded as one of the foundational contributions to modern astrophysics. Delve into the multifaceted academic abilities of the atomic wizard, which set him apart as a true polymath. During his time as an undergraduate student at Harvard University, Oppenheimer's brilliance was evident across a diverse range of subjects. He excelled in classical languages such as Latin and Greek, demonstrating a deep appreciation for ancient civilizations and their contributions to human knowledge. Furthermore, Oppenheimer's scientific curiosity extended to fields beyond physics and astrophysics. His passion for crystals, which began at the tender age of 7, led him to explore their structures and interactions with polarized light. His early fascination with crystals foreshadowed his future contributions to the field of solid-state physics. Moreover, his linguistic skills extended beyond Latin and Greek. Oppenheimer mastered French, German, Dutch, and the ancient Indian language of Sanskrit, reflecting his insatiable thirst for understanding different cultures and their intellectual heritage. Oppenheimer's path intersected with another iconic figure in the world of science, Albert Einstein. In this segment, we explore the unique friendship and collaboration between these two scientific giants. Their first encounter occurred during Oppenheimer's graduate studies at the University of Göttingen in the 1920s. At the time, Einstein was already a renowned physicist and a leading figure in theoretical physics. Their mutual admiration for each other's work sparked a friendship that extended beyond the realm of science. Both Oppenheimer and Einstein recognized the moral and ethical implications of their scientific advancements, particularly in the development and use of nuclear weapons. They shared a common interest in political and social issues, including their advocacy for nuclear disarmament and international cooperation. However, their friendship was not without its differences. Oppenheimer's role in the Manhattan Project and his subsequent advocacy for the Atomic Energy Commission led to disagreements with Albert Einstein during the height of the McCarthy Red Scare. Despite these differences, their bond remained rooted in their shared passion for science and their concern for humanity's future. One of the most significant chapters in Oppenheimer's life was his pivotal role in the Manhattan Project, the top-secret mission to develop the first-ever nuclear bomb. In this segment, we embark on a historical journey through the creation of the Los Alamos Laboratory, which served as the epicenter of innovation and collaboration. Oppenheimer's involvement in the Manhattan Project began after being warned by Albert Einstein and other renowned scientists about the potential threat posed by Adolf Hitler's regime post-Poland invasion. Oppenheimer, who possessed a relentless pursuit of intellectual challenges, embraced the opportunity to work on finding a way to separate uranium-235 from natural uranium, a crucial step in the development of nuclear weapons. As the director of the Los Alamos Laboratory, Oppenheimer faced numerous challenges, both scientific and moral. The brilliant minds at Los Alamos worked tirelessly, driven by the urgency to complete their mission before enemy forces could develop a nuclear weapon. Despite his instrumental role in the success of the Manhattan Project, Oppenheimer's reflection on the devastating power of nuclear weapons would later haunt him and shape his stance on nuclear disarmament. Oppenheimer's life and the events of the Manhattan Project have inspired Hollywood filmmakers over the years. In this segment, we explore some of the most notable films and TV series that portrayed the atomic wizard's journey, captivating audiences around the world. One such portrayal is the 1980s BBC TV series Oppenheimer, where Sam Waterston brought the titular character to life on screen. The series received widespread acclaim. Over the years, various Hollywood films have sought to capture the complexity of Oppenheimer's life, including Fat Man and Little Boy, 1989, and The Beginning or the End, 1947. These films offer different perspectives on Oppenheimer's character and the moral dilemmas faced during the Manhattan Project. Furthermore, Christopher Nolan's upcoming film Oppenheimer features a stellar cast including Cillian Murphy, Emily Blunt, and Matt Damon, alongside Robert Downey Jr. Nolan's commitment to realism is evident, as he mentioned that the film includes 0 CGI shots, even the nuclear explosion scenes. Beyond his scientific achievements, Oppenheimer's role as a professor and mentor was equally impactful. In this segment, we delve into how his teaching style and mentorship left an enduring legacy in the field of physics. Throughout his career, Oppenheimer played a pivotal role in shaping the careers of numerous physicists. His ability to articulate complex ideas and inspire others through the power of words made him a captivating and engaging speaker. Many of his students went on to become prominent figures in the world of physics, continuing his legacy and spreading his intellectual influence. Interestingly, some of his students became so enamored with Oppenheimer that they began to imitate him in admiration. They would dress and act like him, donning his signature grey suit and ungainly black shoes, smoking his favourite Chesterfield cigarettes, and even mimicking his peculiar mannerisms. Despite his immense contributions to science, the Nobel Prize eluded Oppenheimer. Oppenheimer was nominated for the Nobel Prize in Physics on 3 occasions, in 1945, 1951, and 1967. Despite the nomination, he never emerged as a laureate. It is worth noting, however, his close collaboration with Ernest O. Lawrence, an experimental physicist, resulted in Lawrence being honoured with the Nobel Prize in Physics. Intriguingly, 18 of Oppenheimer's colleagues from the Manhattan Project at Los Alamos were awarded the Nobel Prize, leaving him to ponder the complexities of recognition and its significance in the scientific world. Finally, we delve into the final days of the atomic wizard's life. Despite his brilliance, Oppenheimer's love for chain-smoking tragically led to his demise. In 1965, Oppenheimer was diagnosed with throat cancer, a consequence of his lifelong habit of chain-smoking. He passed away at his home in New Jersey at the age of 62. Oppenheimer's death marked the end of a remarkable life filled with scientific achievements, intellectual contributions, and significant impacts on physics and nuclear research. His passing left an indelible mark on the scientific community and the world at large. And there you have it, the incredible journey of J. Robert Oppenheimer, the atomic wizard, from his love for Sanskrit and profound insights into Hindu philosophy to his pioneering work in astrophysics and nuclear physics. Oppenheimer's life remains a testament to the complexities of human brilliance. We hope you enjoyed this in-depth exploration into the life of one of the 20th century's greatest minds. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more fascinating content. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life and legacy of J. Robert Oppenheimer. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the universe.